Welcome to Field Guide to DIY. This is part 4 of the Farmhouse table build. If you missed part 3, be sure to click on the link in the upper right hand corner. Now that we have our Osborne pedestal table legs assembled and stained and finished, it's time to give some attention to the top. Even though we used biscuits and pocket hole screws, we wanted the boards exactly level, so we could just glide a playing card or a dish right across the top. This required lots of sanding, lots and lots of sanding. I want you to notice something. Always sand in the direction of the grain. I cut the breadboard ends extra long so I could take it down flush with the sander. I have to be honest, I never used wood conditioner before until this project, but we used Minwax wood conditioner on this table, and I am sure happy we did. I loaded up the sponge brush, put it on just as thick as I could, and only wiped off the excess. Then it came time to apply the Minwax Jacobin stain. We applied it in sections and almost immediately wiped off the excess. Then it was time to apply our first coat of Minwax polyurethane. Notice I really load my brush up and then apply in long sweeping strokes. I gotta tell you how relaxing this was, because I'm not thinking about anything else but long sweeping strokes and getting the finish on just right. I broke it up in sections and then just blended where the two sections met. We ended up giving the table 3 coats, and in between each coat, lightly sanded with 220 grit sandpaper, ending up with a beautifully stained and finished red oak tabletop. I drilled grooves in the pedestal legs to allow for expansion when attaching the tabletop. We attached the top to the pedestal legs, and I gotta tell you, we are very pleased with the end result. I certainly hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, be sure to click like and subscribe so you don't miss another exciting episode of Field Guide to DIY.